Hi! If you're an SGH student and sometimes you don't know how to deal with all the formalities and procedures, this video is for you. My name is Małgorzata and I'm a student community assistant, or simply, ASK. In short, I can help you navigate your student life. ASK is the first point of contact for students when you don't know where to go, have doubts, or simply need guidance on where to start. For all students, especially first-year students, international students, and those who feel stuck in a maze of information. You can come to me if you want to ask how the university works, how to handle various matters and formalities, or how to find your way around the SGH structures. If you don't know who to contact, start with ASK. You can find me in the main SGH building. Upon entering, turn left towards the Undergraduate Studies office. I am available during my office hours. Additionally, the easiest way to contact me is by email or via Teams. Please describe your situation. I will help you find the best solution or direct you to the right person. If you have a question about studying at SGH, don't put it off. Ask me. I'm here to help you.